Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. 70+ hours total playtime, charge once and cover nearly 2 full work weeks. ANC mode still delivers 40+ hours. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. 40mm drivers with spatial audio. 40mm drivers deliver full-range sound compatible with Dolby Atmos, Tempest 3D, and this is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Cloud foam all-day comfort. Cloud foam ear cups and headband cushion. Long sessions, whether you're at a desk for 8. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.